Guys, quick little update. I got some black spray paint. Two quarts of 10W40 motor oil and a Peak ATF, which is automatic transmission fluid. Alright, and I told you, and we got some gas, but I told you I'd get you some paint. So we're gonna go ahead and paint that front wheel and might even touch up these back ends. So let's get started, guys. Wipe her down best we can get her. Let's have at it, y'all. We're gonna paint that hood black too. I don't know how, but, well, I mean, I don't know which way, but cool dealio. This one's off the rim, but we're still gonna fucking paint it. Cause we're putting a tube in this fucking bitch. I hate this fucking tire. Hell yeah, guys. Now, I don't know if I just want to paint the whole goddamn hood black or just the fucking top. You know what? Fuck it. Let's paint the top of the hood black. We ain't fucking doing nothing else, goddammit. Might as well. So here's what we'll do. We will take our rag . There we go, we got our line. Now we'll get the base done. Okay, guys, and then we'll fucking paint her up right nice. And don't worry, guys, we gonna fucking fix this hole somehow. We gonna figure that out. I drilled some holes and put some lag bolts or whatnot in there to hold a piece of wood or hell, fucking cardboard. I don't give a fuck. This is just a temporary solution, but I think it looks like shit being red like it is. Actually, it does look like shit, the red paint. So don't you worry, you pretty little faces. We'll fucking figure this shit out. Right on, Jack. I like that. I will take my straight edge and we'll run. I'm gonna go from here, fuck it. Shit. Motherfucker. Hard to do, dudes. So, try this shit again. Better help the fire, man. Okay, guys. I think it looks badass, but let me give y'all a hug. Woo! Son. Yeah. I think she looks good. We need to put a 454, we need to put a stroker in that bitch. I think she looks fucking gnarly as shit, guys. But, hell yeah. So now the plan is I'm gonna go up and grab the battery out of the bourbon truck and bring it back here and squirt some gas in her and see if she fires up. Oh, sorry. Been a long day, ain't had nothing to drink. Yeah, I'm gonna go grab the battery out of the bourbon truck and we're gonna bring it back here and try to fire this fucker up. Boy, I hope she starts, man. Oh, man. Alright, guys. Y'all take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe. She fires up, I'll get y'all a video. Alright, guys.